help you today?
I'd like to book my dog in for 7 nights in the next school holidays.
7 nights in the next school holidays? Okay. And your dog's name is?
Is Bear.
E-E-A-R?
That's correct, yeah.
How old is your dog?
Bear is 10 years old.
10 years old? Lovely. And his breed, please?
He's a Spoodle.
Spoodle, lovely. Male or female?
It's a male.
Is he desexed?
Yes, he's desexed and vaccinated.
And when do you plan to check him in?
20th September.
20th of September, and you check out?
On the 27th.
On the 27th of September?
Yep.
Does Bear have any medical problems?
No, he's fine.
Does Bear have any special diet needs?
No, he eats anything.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.